Hi!
Hey guys, so today we are going to show you this awesome surprise box that we got from Whiffer Sniffers.
Yes.
Featuring Series 8 Whiffer Sniffers, the third release of Whiffer Squishers, Squishies, and Series 2 of the Whiffer Gumballs mystery packs. So, thank you so much to Whiffer Sniffers for sending these to us.
Thank you.
You guys ready to check them out?
I'll never let you do this.
Here you go.
Oh, look. Oh my gosh, that's our grape soda one.
Woo.
Awesome. Oh wow, look at that
Cake.
one. Oh my gosh, cake. We got a Neapolitan. Mystery pack.
Why did she get the mystery black?
I saw it.
And you sniped it from me. That's
So
what
the
you did.
squishies to collect are J Bean, Chunky Chuck, Neapolitan, Izzy So Delicious, Birthday Cake Jake, Shirley Cone, and Billy Bluesberry. Oh wow, look at them all, guys. They look super cool.
Here we got this blind
The
bag.
Gumballs mystery pack. Oh, J Bean, he's so cool. Then we've got the Series 8 Whiffer Sniffers. There's 6 characters to collect. Tina Colada, Flip Flapjack, Candy Bar, Red Delicious, Mr. Slice Guy, and Al Have a Slice. Cool.
Got two.
Here we go.
Ooh. I love
Yeah,
orange
this guy-
scented.
Got this apple. Looks like it lost its mind a long time ago.
Let me see. You stop faking that smile.
What do you guys want to open first?
I'm gonna open up my blind bag.
Can I open up
Did
this?
she get the mystery pack?
Yeah.
And you want to do the gumball? Okay.
I
They're both
bet.
mystery, at least.
You're not getting no gold, but
So the mystery gumballs are 6 styles to collect. Cherry, cherry. Come on, I wanna smell ya.
What?
Ivy Poppin', Mary B. Minty, Sour Sol, and Tony Pepperoni. Which one will you get, Michael?
some red. Here it is.
Oh, it's so cute. I guess that is cherry cherry. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Oh, the mystery pack item for Series 8 is Al Have a Slice. Very cute. So, Michael, you are opening Red Delicious, and Lindsay, you're opening Flip Flapjack. So, pancake scented and apple scented ones.
So here it is. They smell a little bit like apples.
Cool. Does it smell like a pancake?
Ow.
Some kind of cake?
Smells like something.
Very cute. So next, okay, we have Mr. Slice Guy and Tina Colada. Very cute.
Ooh.
Oh, Michael, you have Candy Bar. And Lindsay, you're going to do a Squisher. And that one is Birthday Cake Jake.
Rhymes. Classic. Here's my cake. You like cake? I don't know if I like cake. No, I like cake.
He doesn't.
You.
Cute. Nice.
Dang it, I missed the box.
Wow. What does it smell like?
It smells like chocolate.
Hmm.
Best spent yet. Oh yeah.
Wait.
He loves chocolate. You don't, right?
I'm doing this
All
guy.
right. So, Michael, you have Billy Bluesberry, and Lindsay, you have Shirley Cone.
Here it is. Why'd you have to cut it? There's a pull thing.
How's it smell?
It smells like blue raspberry, if I'm being honest. No! So here he is.
Cute.
Assuming people want him squished.
Here's mine.
Look, he's being squished like a berry. Oops.
They're smiling.
Alright, and my next one is a cookie.
Yum, that's Chunky Chuck. Lindsay, you have J Bean.
Oh,
I will beat you.
I already opened it.
So did I. Not the smell!
I must inhale it. Wait.
You weirdo! There's not an inhale system.
This one smells good.
Oh yeah, on to the
Okay.
last ones.
Are those the last two?
Indeed.
Oh, alright.
Wait, she's already opening it!
So we have Izzy Sodalicious.
Yes.
And we have Neapolitan.
Got it out first. I beat her.
Nah. Who's slower?
Oh, what, like on the squish part?
Yeah.
This thing's
Put
quick.
it on the ground. Not like this. 1, 2, 3.
I win.
Wait, let me smell. Okay.
Stop doing that sniff. Like,
Wonderful.
you're not supposed to touch it if you're a nose.
Smell it.
So guys, do you have a favorite?
Yes,
This one.
this one.
Cool. And make sure to follow at Whiffer Sniffers on Instagram for weekly giveaways, guys.
Yeah.
And we'll put more information in the description below where you can find these.
Yes.
Thank you again to Whiffer Sniffers for sending these to us.
Thank you.
Until next time,
Listen, guys, bye.
Bye.
I'm out of here. Ow!